Alright, we got a couple people hopping in here. I'm just going to wait a little bit to get started. Make sure we can get everybody in here right at the beginning. But if you haven't seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. And I like to make my orders on TikTok Live or make videos of them. So these are the 2 quarters we're going to be working on next. I currently have all my quarter coin rings on sale. They're 25% off. If at any time during this live you want to go look at them or you think you might want to get one, just tap my logo at the top of the screen and then click the link in my bio. You should be able to find my store there. Like I said, they're 25% off. The copper ones are usually $20. Right now they're on sale for $15. And the 90% silver quarter coin rings are usually $100. They're on sale right now for $75. Wow, we got like 200 people in here. I think we're about ready to get started. If you want to see me turn these 2 coins into rings, go ahead and just put ring into the chat, and we'll see how many people can hear what I'm saying and make sure we've got a good connection. And then we'll get started. So just put ring in the chat and make sure you guys can hear me okay. So what we're going to be working on is a Indiana state quarter. I can do all 50 state quarters, and I've got quite a few of these in silver too. If you want to get a silver state quarter, when you go through the link on my profile, find my Etsy store. That's where they're listed. It's just hard to inventory them in 2 different places. So currently all the silver state quarters are on my Etsy. So if you want to get one, that's where to go. And we also have a 1991 copper clad quarter. The first step for making these into rings is to punch a hole in them. So that's what we're going to do. We got 8 likes so far. If you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen, I think we can get that up to maybe 10 likes. That would be cool. So this is my special like center punch tool. I'm going to pop the quarter in there and just punch a 1/2-inch hole right in the middle of it. There we go. We'll just punch this other quarter real quick too. Nice, 450 likes. That's pretty good. I do appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Pop back up here. So how many people here are from the FYP and have never seen me before? If you're on this live from the FYP, let me know in the comments. I always wonder what my ratio to like followers to like new people is. So if you're new here, let me know. It looks like we've got a couple people from the FYP. That's cool. Welcome to the live. If you've never, I guess you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings, and right now we're working on these 2 quarters. So after punching a hole in them, that inside hole is like really sharp and kind of jagged. So the next step is to remove that. I do that with this tool. It's called a Deburring Tool. It's commonly used by like plumbers to clean up pipe. Oh, from Kuwait. Wow. Well, hello from across the world. I'm in Texas. So yeah, we're just going to clean up this sharp edge that we've created. Make it nice and smooth. Well, hello from Ohio. Nice. And this is kind of a slow, boring part, so if you guys wouldn't mind just tapping the screen while we get through this. See if we can reach 1,000 likes. That would be cool. And then we'll really get on to making these things into rings. For anyone who's just joined in, we do have a sale going on at coinringmaker.com. All quarter coin rings are 25% off, so if you like my work and you want to get yourself one, just tap the link in my profile. You can get there by tapping my logo up here. And you can do that while staying on TikTok, and you'll still hear me talk and work on these rings while you check it out. So if that's something you're interested in, that's how you can find where to buy my stuff. Yeah. And that sale's going to end tomorrow, so you may want to hop on it. New Jersey, nice. See, I can make a New Jersey quarter ring. I can do Ohio too. Can't do Kuwait. Don't have any coins from Kuwait. I'm sorry about that. Found a coin ring on the beach in Galveston. It might have been something I made. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I've been doing this for about 2 years, so it's possible. Somebody lost their ring. That's a shame. So I'll try and show you the inside here. See how it's nice and shiny and smooth now? We're going to start folding these. We're going to put them in this thing. This is called a doming block. Yeah, I can make one from Illinois. Hello from Illinois, my daddy. Nice username. My daddy. There we go. So we got kind of a little cone shape here. I can see a couple of you guys hopping over to the website. I do appreciate it. I get a little notification on my phone right here. And honestly, like a little hit of dopamine. It just makes me feel good when I get to see people checking out the website. Put a lot of work into it, I'm not going to lie. It's a one-man show, so I do appreciate you taking a little time and hopping over there. Do a little side-by-side. So this one has been folded twice, and this one's just been folded once. So we're slowly getting closer and closer to a ring shape. It was made out of a silver floor. Nope, that wasn't me. I mostly just work on US currency. But I might know the guy who made it. If I had a 1949, I can check. Give me just a moment. Unfortunately, that is not currently available. I am trying to get all, like everything from the 30s up to the 60s, but I don't currently have that date available. I am sorry about that. Bicentennial you can find on the website. It's going to be the year 1976. Do I make all ring sizes for quarters? I can go from size 4 up to size 13. Okay, I actually have one ordered, but it will be here in about a week. So if you want to check the site in about a week, there should be one on there. I just don't have one right now. I actually just ordered it today. Kismet. Woo. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just sanding down the cut edge of these rings, make them nice and smooth. Yeah, this one's nice and shiny now. And this is one I haven't done yet. It's still pretty dull, and you can kind of see some little scratches in there. Removing those makes it less likely that I'll split this ring once I start stretching it. 1,900 likes. Thanks a bunch, guys. I do appreciate it. Now we're just going to go ahead and stretch these out real quick. Size 9. 2,000 likes. Awesome. Here is what our Indiana coin ring is looking at right now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to straighten these walls out. So this top edge is a little wider than the bottom edge. We're going to use this. It's called a reduction die. Real nice and close in there for you. And this is going to bring that edge in tighter and make it smaller. So this is how I shape and size rings. Just flip that over to make sure it's even. There we go. That looks much better, doesn't it? Now we just got to make sure it's the right size. So I'm going to find my ring mandrel. Size that up. I've got the hiccups out of nowhere, guys. And I lost my mandrel. There it is. We got to make it just a little smaller. Thanks for sharing the live. I do appreciate it. If anyone else wants to share the live, I will not stop you. There we go. That's right at a size 9, which is what it needs to be. Very good. Well, my dinner's here. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to go check out the sale, go to coinringmaker.com. All quarter coin rings are 25% off. We'll catch y'all later.